Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav, and we are on a Wednesday cryptocurrency video. In fact, today is going to be a nice one because I haven't made a video like this for almost a year, guys. So it's super exciting, but we're going to be talking about crypto.com and my favorite cryptocurrency debit card that I want to share with you guys in 2022. So if you're interested in this, there are links in the description. But before that, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you're interested in these kind of videos I put out every single Wednesday. Guys, welcome to the channel. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. As I mentioned, this channel is all about skill sets to pave the way for your dreams to come true. So on Wednesday, I usually talk about cryptocurrency skill sets or strategies that can help you in paving the way for your dreams to come true. Now, I want to show you guys this video because I posted it in February 2021, where I spoke about my top 2 cryptocurrency or Visa debit cards out there. Now, I did also at the end of the video, it was, last year was the first time that I actually received it, but I basically did an unboxing of this card right here, guys. Okay. And it was really exciting for me to actually have it because before that I was using only a Wirex, which is one of the other cryptocurrency cards. And I will be making, by the way, an update video on that next week because these are the only 2 cryptocurrency cards personally that I use, out of which crypto.com is right now the more secure one that I would suggest everybody to get started with. Okay, so there is a link in the description if you want free $25 worth of CRO, which is the cryptocurrency coin that they have. In fact, let me go ahead and actually at this point of time go to CoinMarketCap, and I will be showing you guys some updated, but you can watch this video. In fact, I will be linking this video in the description of this video, okay, so that you can check out the exact reasons of why I said cryptocurrency debit cards are important for you to have in this space. It gives a good introduction to the cryptocurrency space, what you can do if you want to start your cryptocurrency journey online. Then crypto.com is a nice place to get started with. And I will be sharing my phone and giving you guys an idea of how it looks and the interface and my reviews and my thoughts on it. But I've been in this space for a long time, guys. You've seen me with my videos that I'm putting out every single week. So, feel free to go back and check out all the cryptocurrency videos in case you're interested. So just let's go ahead and go to CoinMarketCap. So as I mentioned, if you want the free $25, you can go to the link in the description and you can get that. But I'm just going to go to CRO. I think it's CRO. Yes. Let me just scroll down here. You will actually see it in the top 100 cryptocurrency coins. Now, obviously, as you guys can see right now, the market is pretty much bleeding, but that's fine. It happens. As you can see, CRO is right here. Crypto.com card is in the top hundreds and actually the top 20 coins right now because it's been growing phenomenally over the last year. So ever since I personally made the video and the coins that I just earned from people joining, I got an amazing profit in the last year. I'm actually going to be showing you guys that in a bit. But I wanted to give you guys an idea of this is how it is. Okay, so there has been a drop in the last couple of months, actually a couple of weeks, but you can, if you want to purchase the coin right now, it's good because even if it goes to $1, you're basically earning quite a bit. And this is what I would suggest because it has the potential to reach there because it has done that. Okay, and it's a really good product. It's a really good service. And let me just go ahead and scroll up right here. As you can see, we have celebrities who have created with the NASA and everything just about crypto.com. They're also right now supporting an arena in the US, which is also related to crypto.com. Okay, so there is a lot of, as you can see, there are 10 million users that are buying and selling basically cryptocurrency with the products and services that they have in crypto.com. Now, there are benefits, there are products that you can actually go through. The app looks pretty much like this. I will show it to you in a second. You basically can securely buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency with this platform without really wondering about an exchange or anything else. You literally go to the app. If you want to purchase a coin, you purchase a coin. And when you see that it's up and you want to sell the coin, you can sell the coin. Okay, I would never tell anybody to sell the coin at a low price. Always sell the coin when it's green. Okay, they have multiple cryptocurrencies all there on the platform, on the app. And the nice part about it, as I said, This is literally the only card you need, and I'm not joking when they say this, guys. I'm not joking. It's pretty nice to see that they have a really strong cryptocurrency card product out there. So at any point of time, if I want to make a purchase, if I want to go out, if I want to do things, I always carry this card with me just as an emergency, because I can use it. Okay. And sometimes I actually use it more than my actual card, because it just makes everything more convenient. Plus you have cashback option right here on the card, and so on and so forth. So there are multiple benefits to it. You can also start to earn or stake per year. So you earn a dividend, basically, or actually a yield per annum if you are staking the coin, and even on stable coins itself. So you can do these things. So basically, if you want to put aside some funds into a saving account and earn about, let's say, for example, up to 14% on stable coins, you can actually do that with crypto.com. So your money is not just sitting there, it's growing, every 3 months, every 5 months, every year, based on how you want to do it. Okay, so this is a strong project in terms of everything, in terms of technology that they have behind it, in terms of taxes that they have behind it, in terms of the DeFi space that they're in. You can go on and watch this. It's a pretty secure platform. The card is very cool, guys. I would highly recommend to get the card, because it's not just any card. It's pretty wild, to be honest. And yeah, you can see the different kinds of cards that are existing here. Okay, if you want to get this Obsidian card, I would say work your way up to this Obsidian card, because this is just the Midnight Blue. It's the one that I have. I don't pay anything, but I do get a 1% cash back from here. And then you can easily go up and further. 350 is basically the staking. What this basically means is that you stake 350 euros worth of CRO, which creates liquidity in the market. And you can find out more information here. It creates liquidity in the market and gives you now a 2% cash back. So the more you stake, the more you stake in CRO, the more you actually can get on a cash back. So when you work your way up and you have 350,000 euros worth in CRO staking, then you're getting 8% cash back, plus Spotify, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Expedia, Airbnb, airport lounge, all for free. This is something quite extraordinary, to be honest, guys. And plus it has an unlimited transaction per year. Otherwise there are limits for each of the ATM withdrawals that are there. Okay, so now these are withdrawals. These are not expenditures, these are withdrawals. Okay, if you go to an ATM and withdraw, then for example, the max per month at the card that I have is just 200 euros. But there are limits and there are changes that you can go about and actually grow your cards and get more priority there. Okay, something to have a look at. There are FAQs on the website itself, but they only have an application. Remember, you cannot join from the website. They only have an application. So let me just actually share my phone right now with you guys. Let's see what I can do that. Okay, I want to share my phone. Yeah, perfect. So let me just get into my application right here. As you guys can see, this is now basically showing a little bit less. I had around 250, and when it was going up, because I personally got the coin at pretty low price, because I had some people join last year through the link in the description. It's the same link that I have there. So if you want to join, then obviously that is something that you're going to get a benefit from. As I mentioned, you're going to get the $25 in CRO, and you can accumulate that, and it will definitely generate you rewards as well. So as you guys can see, the app is pretty simple. If you want to, for example, go to accounts, you can basically see that majority I have is in my crypto wallet, and you can see it also is in CRO tokens, and then I have some about $9 right now on my card. So I'm not really pretty much using it at the moment, but it's something that I've used a lot. You can see from the card itself, and you can see other things that are there as well. Okay, I'm not going to go into personal details, but if you want to basically see the top gainers, you can see the top gainers over the last few few weeks. And if you want to start holding or buying more coins, all you need to do is go here, go to crypto wallet, or go to crypto earn, for example. Okay, it will show you exactly how you can earn and how much per year, and it'll take you also to the earning tab right here. Okay, now all of these things you can do in, as you can see, in stable coins. So USDC is 12% per annum. Okay, Bitcoin is 6.5 per annum, Ethereum is 6.5 per annum, Tether is 12%. So you get 12% on your US dollar Tether and USDC coin by just holding it here in crypto.com. Now, for example, if I click on, so it's great to see all of this, right? So you go to start earning, and say if I want to click on Tether, okay, it tells you right here, it has 6% per annum if it's flexible, 1 month is 8%, and then you have 10% for the others. So say if I want to go for 10%, just to give you guys an idea, you got to click on everything and then you can start. Right now, I don't want to do that because I personally use Celsius for my earnings in stable coins, but I just wanted to show you that this is a possibility. So getting started with a lot of things that I talk about on this channel with just one application, it's pretty cool. And if you click on the pay button up there, you can actually see that you can give gift cards to people if you want. You can send cryptocurrency to other people. It's pretty cool itself right there. You can top up, you can send, money to other people. So it's really up to you how you want to use this. It's just to show you guys the so many features that they have on this platform itself. Now, that's really about all that I wanted to share. Like I said, I have the cryptocurrency card. I personally use the card, and I wanted to show you guys the application. But if this is something that interests you, feel free to use the link in the description, or go to your friend and use the friend's link because it's going to be beneficial for them. Guys, I just wanted to make this informative video for you, and I hope that you enjoyed also watching this video. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Let me just stop sharing my screen and show you guys once again, just for the sake of it. This is the website right here. So I will link a website to crypto.com in the description. And also, if you want to join crypto.com, everything is there. Feel free to go over all of the information and the video that I made also last year, because it's still valid this year as well. Guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to see you on the next one. Have a great day and have a great week ahead.